Hi, I'm Rod Deichman with Library Workshops. Want to get the most out of your DSLR camera? Do you want or need some personalized hands-on practice with your photography gear? Or do you, like most of us, simply want to learn to create the most sensational images of your life using the gear you already own? Well, if the answer is yes, then join us for one of our monthly In-Camera Magic meetups, where shooters from all walks of life and experience levels meet to share in their passion, discuss the latest approaches, and practice the skills needed to make real magic happen completely in camera. Our monthly meetups are unique, to say the least. They're designed specifically for those photographers wanting to learn the art of manual photography. We focus our events on experience-gaining group exercises where each participant is paired with others of their own skill level and given exercises that will push them further as artists. We have no minimum experience requirements. Everyone is welcome so long as they're using a DSLR camera. We can quickly show you how to go manual with your camera, how to use inexpensive remote flashes, how to use your polarizer correctly, how to set your white balance, your tint, your hue, all for effect, and even how to dial in your contrast, saturation, and sharpening settings before you take the picture. Well, our goal is to provide you with focused practice sessions where your current skill level rises through these controlled exercises. We'll help you master your internal options. We'll give you a reason to use that extra gear you probably already have and teach you how to see and pursue visions, not just pictures. So if you're interested in doing more than just taking pictures, if you actually want to speak with your camera and create unique images that really speak about who you are, then join us in one of these workshops. You're going to love it. Again, my name's Rod Deichman. I'll see you in the field.